for you guys. We'll start off with our bald line. I'm gonna add a slight curve to it, slide curve. Grab our shaver. And I don't know, personally, you have to leave some space right here just so you can see the lineup once you're done fading. I'm not too big of a fan of, like, you know, people starting to line up here, but to each their own. Now guard lever open for his guide. Next step, our half guard. I'm gonna go close with this one, just kind of get rid of the little dark spots that I left there from the previous guard. Little pressure, open it. Pretty much just lever play. Next step, one, start open. Looking into that weight that he has on the side already.
If you're watching this video, it already means that you're barber or care about your hairstyle. Do subscribe and join our community of fade and hairstyle.
I'm gonna close it.
For more insights on fade and barbering tips, check out the video with the featured thumbnail on the screen or click the link at the top of the page. You can also find the link pinned in the comments for easy access.
We're gonna go in the trimmers. Get rid of that bald line, zoom in a little bit. And sometimes I like to hold the skin just so I can fade a little better. Especially if it tends to bounce a little too much. We're gonna go ahead and close the lever, no guard, flicking in. And just to blend it all in, we grab our trimmer and our clipper, little comb. That's it. Beautiful.